Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Avasthi. Welcome back to your own channel Maths in Minutes. In previous video we discussed about the operation on sets. Now today we will be discussing on few formulae on the sets. Let's start. If first formula says cardinal number of A union B you are supposed to find out, then you are going to use the formula cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B, and from that we will remove the cardinal number of A intersection B. Understand it with the help of Venn diagram. Then what is A union B? If we have the intersection, A union B means A terms and the B terms, right? Cardinal number of A is this much, right? Cardinal number of B is this much. Now when we are counting A and B together, this intersection portion has been counted twice, so that we have reduced. So please understand these formulae through Venn diagrams. It will be very easy. Now second one, for example, if we have to find out the cardinal number of A minus B, we already discussed in the previous videos that what is the difference, what is the meaning of A minus B. Again, see this Venn diagram. Now cardinal number of A minus B includes the elements which are coming only in this portion, if this is A and this is B, right? It does not include the intersection part. So here either from A union B, if we have the value of cardinal number of A union B, then from that we will subtract the cardinal number of B, then we will get the answer. Or another way is, if we have the value of A means this entire A, right? From that we will subtract cardinal number of intersection. Now which formula we have to use depends on the given conditions, right? Cardinal number of A union B and B is given, then obviously we are going to use this formula. If these terms are given, then obviously we are going to use this formula. Similarly, if we talk about B minus A, cardinal number of B minus A, same way this formula can be rectified. Cardinal number of A union B if we have, from that we will subtract the cardinal number of A. And again, if we have the cardinal number of B, that means this side we will have to remove this, the intersection part. So cardinal number of A intersection B will be reduced. Fourth one is cardinal number of A union B. Right, now we have already discussed in the first formula how to find out A union B, but if we do not have cardinal number of A, cardinal number of B, then what are we going to do? Then we have another formula. If we have cardinal number of only A minus B is only A, and cardinal number of B minus A, that is only B. If we understand it with the help of Venn diagram, that means this much if we have, this much if we have, and then this is the intersection portion. Add this intersection portion, that will again give the A union B. Now understand these formulae with the help of few examples. Cardinal number of A is given 16, cardinal number of B is given 13, cardinal number of A union B is 22, and we are supposed to find out cardinal number of A intersection B. Then which formula we are going to use? We are going to use this very first formula, because all the terms that are given are included in the first formula. So we will just apply the formula which says cardinal number of A union B will be calculated by cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus cardinal number of A intersection B. Now please substitute the values that are given to us. So it will be 22 is equals to 16 plus 13 minus of cardinal number of A intersection B. So cardinal number of A intersection B is equals to 29 minus 22. So value of A intersection B will be 7. Right. Cardinal number of universal set is 50, cardinal number of A is 35, cardinal number of B is 20, and cardinal number of A intersection B complement is equals to 40. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out cardinal number of A complement. Now how to do this? We have already discussed complement of A will contain all the elements of the universal set except for those A. It means that cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of A complement should be equals to universal set right? So cardinal number of A is given, universal is given. How to find out? 35 plus of cardinal number of A complement is equals to 50. Then simply find out the value of A complement, 50 minus 35, which will give 15. Now next is cardinal number of B complement. Same way with this formula, now we will take set B. Then complement of B will be equals to universal set's cardinal number. Simply substitute 20 plus complement of B, and universal is 50. So from there, value of complement of B will be 30. Now we have to find out cardinal number of A intersection B. Here we are given cardinal number of A intersection B complement. Again we will use the same method to find out. Let's write cardinal number of A intersection B plus complement of A intersection B should be equals to universal set, right? So what is A intersection B? Then A intersection B will be written like this. Complement's value is 40 and universal value is 50. So from here A intersection B will be 10. So these were the type of the questions. To understand how the formulae are applied, in the next video we will be learning how to solve the Venn diagram questions and find out the answer through the Venn diagram. So please keep watching the video. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe my channel.